Stay informed about your indoor climate with precision and comfort in mind. The best room thermometer ensures accurate temperature readings, helping you maintain the perfect atmosphere at home, office, or nursery. Enjoy consistency, reliability, and effortless monitoring every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GoveeLife Humidity Room Thermometer. The GoveeLife Humidity Room Thermometer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants accurate, real-time temperature and humidity monitoring with the convenience of smart Wi-Fi control. This device connects seamlessly to the Govee Home app, allowing you to monitor indoor conditions anytime and anywhere. With the ability to pair up to 10 sensors through one Wi-Fi gateway, it's ideal for large homes, offices, or storage areas. The Swiss-made sensor ensures high-precision readings, offering temperature accuracy within plus or minus 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity within plus or minus 3% RH. Its 2-second data refresh rate provides near-instant updates, making it a reliable option for sensitive environments like wine cellars or greenhouses. One of its standout features is the remote alarm system, which sends app and email alerts if the temperature or humidity exceeds preset limits. This gives users ample time to take corrective action, protecting valuable items or plants. It also boasts impressive data storage, keeping 20 days of visual trend charts and up to 2 years of exportable records, perfect for long-term monitoring. With its 2-year battery life and smart integration, the GoveeLife Humidity Room Thermometer combines durability, accuracy, and convenience, making it one of the most dependable indoor climate sensors available today for homes and professional environments alike. Number 2. Govee H5179 Room Thermometer. The Govee H5179 Room Thermometer offers an impressive blend of smart connectivity, accuracy, and ease of use, making it a top pick for those who want complete control over indoor air quality. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility through the Govee Home app, this device enables remote monitoring in real time from anywhere, ensuring that you're always updated on temperature and humidity levels. The Swiss-made sensor provides exceptional precision, with temperature accuracy of plus or minus 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity accuracy of plus or minus 3% RH, refreshing every 2 seconds for live updates. You can set custom alert ranges so that the app immediately notifies you when conditions drift outside your preferred levels, ideal for basements, greenhouses, or storage spaces. The H5179 also supports data logging, allowing you to view temperature and humidity trends for the past 20 days online and export up to 2 years' worth of data for more detailed analysis. Its stable performance and simple setup make it especially appealing for users who want both functionality and reliability. Whether you're monitoring plants, valuable collectibles, or indoor comfort, the Govee H5179 delivers excellent performance, accurate data tracking, and seamless app integration, making it a trusted device for maintaining consistent environmental conditions in any space. Number 3. Govee H5103 Room Thermometer. The Govee H5103 Room Thermometer stands out for its smart functionality, exceptional accuracy, and user-friendly design. Equipped with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it allows you to monitor temperature and humidity data from anywhere through the Govee Home app. The Swiss-made precision sensor ensures readings with remarkable accuracy, temperature within plus or minus 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity within plus or minus 3% RH, refreshing every 2 seconds for near real-time updates. One of its highlights is the easy-to-read electronic ink display, which provides clear visibility from different angles while consuming minimal battery power. The device operates efficiently for up to 6 months on standard AA batteries, offering dependable, low-maintenance performance. Users can also set custom temperature and humidity thresholds, receiving instant alerts whenever readings go beyond the preset range. This makes it particularly useful for monitoring indoor spaces like greenhouses, baby rooms, or storage areas where maintaining stable conditions is essential. Compact yet powerful, the Govee H5103 blends modern smart home integration with reliable environmental monitoring. It delivers the perfect balance between convenience and accuracy, ensuring that you always have the most up-to-date information about your indoor climate, whether you're home or away. Number 4. YoLink Freezer Room Thermometer. The YoLink Freezer Room Thermometer redefines long-range temperature and humidity monitoring with its advanced LoRa-based wireless technology. Unlike traditional Wi-Fi-based sensors, this device operates independently, ensuring no interference with your home network, while offering an impressive range of up to 1/4 mile in open air. This makes it perfect for hard-to-reach areas like basements, barns, greenhouses, freezers, or even outdoor sheds. The sensor provides precise, real-time readings directly to the YoLink app, keeping you informed about environmental conditions wherever you are. You can easily customize alerts for both temperature and humidity, receiving notifications through text, email, or push alerts. For Apple users, the Critical Alerts feature ensures you never miss an important update, even in silent mode. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it offers an outstanding battery life of up to 5 years, reducing the hassle of frequent replacements. Integration with IFTTT and Alexa further enhances convenience, allowing you to automate actions or check current readings using simple voice commands. With its long-distance reliability, powerful app features, and energy-efficient design, the YoLink Freezer Room Thermometer is a perfect choice for those needing precise, uninterrupted monitoring in multiple or remote environments. Number 5. Traceable Room Thermometer. The Traceable Room Thermometer is a dependable and professional-grade instrument designed for accurate temperature and humidity monitoring. This unit comes with the option of a NIST Traceable or A2LA accredited calibration certificate, ensuring laboratory-level precision for scientific, industrial, or home use. It includes a user-friendly interface featuring a 24-hour clock and a F-to-C switchable display, making it adaptable to any preference. The thermometer boasts min-max memory functionality that recalls the highest and lowest recorded temperature and humidity values at the touch of a button, ideal for tracking environmental fluctuations over time. With a relative humidity resolution of 1% and accuracy within plus or minus 5% in the mid-range, it provides reliable data for controlled environments. The device runs on a single AAA battery and can be conveniently mounted on a wall, saving valuable workspace. Built for durability and simplicity, the Traceable thermometer is perfect for laboratories, offices, and residential spaces requiring dependable performance without unnecessary complexity. Its combination of accuracy, practicality, and ease of operation makes it a trusted tool for maintaining optimal conditions in professional and personal settings alike. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.